It's time! It's time! Pag gantong oras, merong routine ng Madam Lunita. May kailangan siyang hingin. What do you want? What do you want, Nuni? What do you want? What do you want? Ay, sige, busy na si Mami. Anong kailangan ng Nuni? Yes? What do you want? What do you want? Huh? What do you want, Noni? What do you want? Tell Mommy. What do you want? What do you want? Tell Mommy, what do you want? What do you want na? Ha? Oh, pero hindi mo sinasabi. What do you want? Ha? Ito yung kailangan niya. You want this one? You want this one? Ito ang gusto niya. You want this? You want this? Kiss mo na. Kiss muna ako. Kiss. Kiss muna ako. Hindi kita bibigyan. Kiss muna ako. Kiss. Kiss muna. Ay, hindi kita bibigyan. Walang kiss. Walang kiss. Consistent ka talaga, no? Pag gantong oras, no? Magtang snacks. Chan. Chan.